Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to add text on your videos in Capcut. Now adding text is really easy, so make sure to follow along. First you need to head over to the top left side of your screen and you can see a text option in here. Click on that and here you can see you have this default option of text. You can press on plus and you can see you have various text options in here. First we are going to be customizing our text, so as you can see, let me just move this text so you can see it much better. So let's just change it to anything. Alright, so you can just scale it and increase its length so it matches to your video, and you can simply add effects on this as well. So click on anywhere on the cut and you can add effects and that's how you can add text onto your videos and also effects on the particular text. So I really hope you understood the concept and learned how to add text onto your videos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.